So this is a Redmi 10C, one of the budget smartphones available right now. So in a budget smartphone, people are always looking out for like, what good features can I get at this price point? Like, they know that obviously there's going to be some compromises, right, because of the price, but budget smartphones try to have at least one or two features good enough to hook the audience at this price point. So first of all, please subscribe if you haven't already. And second, this phone, the Redmi 10C, it has a huge 6.71-inch LCD display from end to end, which is rare at this price point. The price is roughly 15,800 for the 64x4 gigs in Kenya right now, but you can get it for slightly higher or lower depending on where you come from, right? And what about this huge 5000 milliamperes battery, right? I mean, on paper that's already impressive, right? Not to mention it comes with a USB-C port, which obviously will have faster data transfer rates and all those, and a 10-watt brick in the box, but you can max that out at 18 watt if you buy an external brick. I mean, that could be the reason someone buys this, right? Or some are more interested in camera, right? So the notch at the front, it has a 5 megapixel camera, which is just average, but there is a 50 megapixel camera at the back, and it takes really nice shots and videos. On top of that, the software for the camera also has a pro mode where you can manually or automatically adjust the ISO, the shutter speed, the exposure. Some of these features are rare at this price point, so that could also be another reason someone gets this one. And what about that 4GB RAM expandable to 5GB by adding 1G from internal storage? I mean, that thinness, 8.3 millimeters for a 6.71-inch display. I mean, that could be a reason, right? I mean, people can easily forgive drawbacks in a budget phone. So having one or two features standing out can make a huge difference when customers consider buying one. Like, take this for instance. It has a 50 megapixel and a 12 megapixel camera at the back, right? But the front has a 5 megapixel for the selfie, which is just average, right? The flash at the back is also not that bright, right? Anyway, hit me up in the comment section. I'd love to hear from you. Subscribe, and thanks for watching.